Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? Stino RWD back at y'all with another video. You feel me? Y'all know I gotta push out the content for real. I seen the last video where we in Mexico cutting up for real. We're doing some runs. I had Savage G37, but we ready to just do a POV late night. You know, I gotta walk around. Go ahead and wipe y'all up real quick. You know, I gotta wipe y'all up. You know what I mean? Gotta walk around. I ain't give her a wash because I'm ready to go on a whole fucking road trip and shit. Ready to go on a whole road trip down. That little R right there. That little R right there. It's a tough ass thumbnail right there. Yeah, I like that. Let me go ahead and change the colors on y'all. With the blue. That's hard. 530i with the underglow. I was never a fan of that shit for real. Underglow, but 535 by cool. He ready to pull. I smoke that shit. Yeah, I smoke that shit. Q50 right here, just pulled up. Yeah, we got that. Oof. Oof. That's hard. I like that. I ain't even give y'all a fit check for real. It's a fit check. You know, you go track ones on the feet. Tacky. Feel me? Keep it simple. Very hot in this. And we out. Let's ready to drive around just a little bit for real. And whatnot. Late night. I'll go ahead and show y'all what time it is. I'll see what time it is right there. Third gear pull too. I could drive down to second. Downshifting without using the brake. Muffler delete vibes. It been sound too good to have just a muffler delete, y'all. I might go Rolls Royce lights next upgrade, or I might go test pipes. Y'all let me know. I kind of want the performance over mine because my shit already look hard from the outside. I'm done with the outside. Inside gotta look a little better. Got the ambient. But yeah, comment down below what y'all think I should get next mod. They're about the same when it comes to installation wise and buying the parts and all that shit. So yeah, about 400. And I ain't even tell you I got something special for y'all too. I ain't even tell y'all, but I posted it on my car page. So if you don't follow me, make sure y'all follow my car page. Got something from Z1 Motorsports. Test pipe is going to really open up my shit. Killed me, bro. I was like 75 in Mexico. Y'all see all the dealerships and shit. What is this car doing? Nigga, it's a fucking flashing yellow, bro. Don't mean slow down, bro. The fuck? Hook, y'all. Oh yeah. What's up? Downshift sound crazy, fucking seatbelt got locked up. And that's how we gonna end off that motherfucking video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Share it to a friend, hit that bell down below. Share it to a friend, share it to your grandmother, your mother, your uncle, your god brother, your mans, you feel me, your girl, you feel me? Yeah, go ahead and send that out, you feel me? More videos coming. Hope y'all have a good night. Hope y'all safe.